So you've just purchased your Epson ET-2860 bundle from us. What you can expect to find in the box is your brand new printer, straight from the factory. As you can see, it's got blue tape on it still. You'll need to remove all of this before setting up the printer. It comes with a full paper package, depending on which one you've purchased. You've got your Sublimation inks, the Ecotank Sublinova, the Ink Expert Easy Refill bottles. It comes with the power cable and USB cable, which we advise for connecting the printer with. And then a full instruction guide that you can follow to install the printer. This also has an ICC setup guide, and that will tell you how to claim your ICC profiles. And these packages are now compatible with both Windows and with Mac.